those of you wondering what's happening, all today was about was like clearing a path up here so we could see the edge of it all. And the idea now is to come back tomorrow, hopefully, and we'll clear this area. I start digging it out and getting rid of all the. If you look here, that these are old brambles and stuff, or whatever crop was here before. Start digging all this out. We do it section by section and eventually clear all the brambles as we go. And as we clear it, we cover it with this sort of stuff. So we cover it and then hopefully get ready for spring. Right. Oh yeah, I've got to show you this bramble bush. It was to this area here, where these boards are down here. So it was to this far, and I've manually cut it back to, as you can see, and there's got to be clumps of it. But you need to cut it all the way back. All the way back. You can see how big it is, it's massive. And you might be able to see in there's like a compost barrel, I think it's a water barrel, and some other stuff in there, as well as rubbish. There's a metal pole there. I don't know what that was for. It might have been for supporting something. Oh yeah, we've got to cut this all back, haven't we? There's a football there as well, isn't it? Don't go near it because I don't want you getting cut.
Where?
Oh no, it's not a football, it's something else. It's a flower pot or something. Interesting. Oh well. You alright? Scraped yourself? Yeah, I got stinging out on my arm. Look. There's a lot of wasps flying around as well, so we need to be careful. There might be a wasp nest somewhere that we're going to have to clear out. But there's a lot of them flying around, so be careful. Oh no, are they wasps or bees?
Wasps.
Are they?
That's a wasp.
Oh, that's a wasp. You're better than me because you've done your bee thing at school, haven't you? So when we took on this allotment, we thought, oh, this will be easy. And now the shed that came with it is obviously knackered. You can see the roof. And this will make you laugh if you ever look inside it. Move the security out there. There we go. Don't go in there. Don't go in there because there's glass and everything. And that's our shed, and that's the roof of our shed. So yeah, not much use. But we will salvage some of this stuff, won't we?
Is that an oil can?
It is.
I knew it.
Next useless otherwise. So yeah, the idea is to grow some easy crops next season, and also to convert this area here. We're going to look at this wood that's been left behind, because I think the previous owner had intentions of building a shed with that, and all the bits seem to be there. So we will try and see if we can actually do that. If not, we've got to dispose of all that, unfortunately. But yeah, so that's this, day 2. Not too bad. When I say day 2, I mean like we can only spend like an hour, 2 at a time. So it's not a day. Anyway, see you next time.